Hey folks, I'm Jimmy Weller with Weller's Utility Trailers. Want to talk to you about this aluminum trailer. It's 18 foot long. 18 foot is probably the most popular open trailer car hauler size. And it's a full 18 foot. Now this trailer has torsion suspension, which if you don't know what that is, there are two types of suspension. Leaf spring, which is very common. You even see it on a lot of vehicles. And torsion, where it's actually a bar filled with rubber. And as you hit a bump on one side, the rubber absorbs the shock. So it's a much smoother ride. It also sits lower to the ground because you don't have those leaf springs lifting the trailer up. That being said, this trailer sits lower to the ground. It also has slide out ramps that are 6 foot long. Most of them are 5 foot. Because this is such a nice trailer, you're probably going to want to put a nice car on here, which means it might be lower to the ground. So this would be a great option for you. Also, this trailer has aluminum wheels, aluminum frame, aluminum tongue. It has a swivel jack on the front, so if you have a driveway, you just need to move it around slightly, you can move it around. Brakes on both axles, so no matter what state you go in, you know you're covered. Radial tires are going to give you a smooth ride. They have steel belts in it, and they warm up quick, and then you don't have all that bouncing. This trailer is a 7,000 pound trailer. It has lots of stake pockets to tie down to. It also has 4 recessed D-rings, and they do swivel, so no matter which way you're facing, you can tie down. We have this trailer and many others like it available at Weller's. We have rent to own and we have financing. We take trade-ins and we take consignments. So give us a call, 302-337-8228, and check out wellers.com 24/7. Thanks and have a fine day.